So, you've decided to start a new business. You've heard how people set up their websites, press buttons on a software tool, and then start making thousands per month working from home. It sounds like the dream, right? Well, that's because it is. Time to wake up. Pretty much no online business can make you a millionaire overnight. That's a fact. You need proper foundation and some kick ass planning if you're to make it far in this game. You might not be trying to be the new Jeff Bezos, but you can still employ the same tricks and strategies that turned Amazon into one of the largest companies in the world. That's why today we've brought you some of the best ways to succeed in online business based on the 100 best performing online shops in the world. Stay until the end of our video to find out more about these incredible shops, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great videos like this. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 12, effective marketing campaigns. Marketing is a balancing act, and your ideal marketing strategy will depend on your target audience, budget, and industry. As a new business owner, especially in dropshipping, you should be spending 90% of your time doing marketing, researching, brainstorming, creating ads, checking their results, improving them, and then thinking of your next campaign to get even better results. All this is where you want to spend most of your time. Number 11, collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing is one of the newest forms of marketing, and it has proven to be one of the more effective marketing tactics for many businesses. Working directly with a social media influencer, a business leverages the personal relationship that they have with their followers, and doing so, they gain direct access to an intimate connection with consumers. You'll be converting leads into customers in no time. However, you need to understand your audience well to get the most benefits from your influencer marketing. So make sure you select influencers that identify with your target audience. Number 10, build a social media following. Social media is one of the greatest marketing tools in a company. Everybody uses social media these days, so brands and companies need to be active there if they are to be a part of the conversation. The biggest businesses have entire teams that are devoted to social media, managing their analytics, interacting with followers, and whatnot. You definitely do not need to maintain these extreme levels of dedication, but some key takeaways include replying to customers quickly and creating useful advertisements as a way to grow. Number 9, engaging web design. If you want a successful online e-commerce business that can grow and scale, you need a really good website. The design of your store needs to be engaging, responsive, and interactive, and you want it to follow the branding standards to stand out from the rest. If you want to know more about how branding works, we have a video that covers the primary principles for you. Check it out on our YouTube channel. Number 8, site speed optimization. Another important aspect of converting websites is that they load up as fast as possible. Most visitors will click away if they have to wait more than 3 to 4 seconds before entering your page. Attention spans are shorter than ever these days, which means you need to invest in your site's speed. It doesn't matter if yours is the best looking site on the internet. If it doesn't load up fast, then most people will move on before seeing it. Site speed is really important for your SEO performance too, since Google tracks that as one of the metrics when deciding how to rank your site. Number 7, mobile support. Make sure to take mobile traffic into account, as it makes up for more than half of web traffic. Taking into account that 34.5% of e-commerce sales come from mobile devices, it's easy to see why responsive web design for mobile support can be seen on about every successful shop in the world. Number 6, high-quality product listings. Everyone's basic fear from shopping online is that they can't really touch what they're buying. Your customers won't be able to have the product on their hands until after they've already paid you. So you'll want to provide them with high quality images from different angles to make the product as visible as possible to recreate the hands-on traditional shopping experience. Number 5, good customer service. The customer experience is an important aspect of any business. With e-commerce, it just happens to be easier to provide an outstanding experience for your buyer. Go the extra mile when working with a potential or current customer. A happy customer means referrals, positive reviews, positive word of mouth, and many more sales. Make sure you delight your customers at every touch point during their shopping and post-shopping experience. Number 4, short, fast, and complete checkout. We all want the buyers to purchase because we want the sales to keep going up. But sometimes the checkout process on websites is so difficult that customers end up leaving just because it was confusing or too annoying for them. We see this even more now that shoppers are becoming more of a mobile shopper. Minimize the steps it takes to complete a purchase after they've added a product to their cart, and make the checkout process as simple as possible. The less clicks or touches they have to do, the higher your chances of them finishing their order. Number 3, cart abandonment recovery. We've all experienced abandoning a cart at checkout when shopping online, and 7 out of every 10 shopping carts get abandoned. That's why at Shop1 we included the abandoned cart recovery option, which retains the content of a customer's cart. Number 2, free and fast shipping. Online shipping has seen an incredible growth across the years, but almost anyone can testify that people despise paying and waiting for shipping. In fact, nearly 8 out of 10 people prefer shopping online if they can get free shipping, which makes this an attractive feature to have for your customers. People are just more likely to purchase something online if they are able to skip the shipping cost. Also, giving them the option to expedite shipping can make it easier to buy your products if they need it faster. If you're using Shop1, you're in luck because it relieves you from the stress of balancing shipping speed and cost. Number 1, post-sale service. Returning customers are almost always worth more than new leads, and one of the main ways the best shops earn returning customers is by following up after the sale. Have you seen how some shops send you emails asking how the product was or requesting a review? They go the extra mile in showing you that they care about your experience and your product by following up after the sale. So, what's your opinion about these tips that the 100 best performing online shops have in common? Which ones are you utilizing already? Which ones do you think you should be working on next? Let us know in the comments. Also, make sure to leave us a like, share this video with your entrepreneur friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.